everyone, I just bought this bullet gun from Amazon, so let's see its review and demo. MRP of this gun is 619, but you get this one from Amazon for 299, and the best part is it is delivered on the same day. So this toy gun is for 3 years and above kid, and in the box we get this black and white color gun and 10 foam bullets. So let's look at the gun first. Quality of the gun is really good. It's durable, steady, and the gun is definitely going to last long. And the bullets are soft foam based. They are not great. Anyways, moving forward. So this magazine can load 4 bullets at a time, and the gun is easy to operate. Load the soft bullet. The suction dart will be in the front. Now pull the lever at the back, trigger and fire. The gun range is good, easily 15 feet, and it makes a sound like a real gun. But the bullets were folded and crumbled, so that's the disappointment. And bullets does not stick to any object. But still, I will recommend you to go for it because it offers good quality gun at affordable price, and this keep the child engaged for hours. So give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.